Graham Goldman. Greg Rowley. Steve Lukather. Lauren Hand. And holding us together, Greg Pistolette. What's my name? Great! That's the best reaction for the whole tour. Give me it one more time. What's my name? Oh, any young girls in the audience? That's for the young girls in the audience and all those other girls who are young at heart. It's called You're 16, You're Beautiful in Your Mind. You come on like a dream, peaches and cream, lips like strawberry wine. You're 16, so beautiful in your mind. Girl, what a girl, eyes that sparkle and shine. You're 16, beautiful in your mind. You're my baby, you're my pet. We fell in love on the night we met. You touched my hand, my heart went pop. Ooh, when we kissed, I could not stop.